Hi guys, this is Master from Bodybuilding.TV. How's your workout life going? In this video, I am introducing the Neutral Grip Lat Pulldown. I introduced the Reverse Grip Lat Pulldown in my previous video. The middle lats are the main target muscles in both exercises. However, you can also train your biceps and teres measure when using a neutral grip. Not only can you stimulate more muscle when using a neutral grip, but you can also go heavier. That is because you can easily use wrist straps when using a neutral grip bar. Remember that wrist straps are a tool which allows you to lift slightly heavier weights than when doing a regular pull down. I'd like to give you two tips for this exercise: explosive movements and bar positioning. Notice that I try to lift the weights explosively in this video, and please pay attention to the point where I put the bar down. It is the middle of my chest. That's why this exercise is good for training the middle lats. One more thing, and this is the basic idea. Whenever you do back exercises, squeeze the shoulder blades together as you put your chest out when you lift the weights. I always focus on the point on my back day.
Tell me what you like, what you want from me. If it's on tonight, oh yeah, I just wanna know you. Want you sit next to me? Yeah, 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 yeah. Won't you sit, won't you sit, won't you sit, won't you sit next to me? Won't you sit, won't you sit, won't you sit next to me? Won't you sit next to me? Don't care what happens next, 'cause you will be mine. Right. Don't care what happens next.
If I begin to lose my form, I usually stop the exercise. On my last set, I use the rest pause technique, in which once I get to failure, I stop the movement and take about a 10 to 20 second rest, and then keep going until I get to failure completely. I feel like I can put my chest out and squeeze my shoulder blades together easily whenever I use this neutral grip bar. Try and enjoy this neutral grip lat pull down, and you can definitely add more variations for your back exercises. I also like the specific neutral grip bar holder set up on the machine. I don't know if you have this at the gym, but it is so cool, isn't it? If you have any questions, please ask me. Thank you so much for watching my Neutral Grip Lat Pulldown video today. Till next time.
Won't you sit next to me?